disappointed in this. I'm just kind of shocked. Number one, I see so many people leaving positive reviews because they say, oh, congratulations, you've won a free gift card, an $80 Amazon gift card, or any one of these other things. And I'm thinking here, great, now we're going to get a bunch of artificial reviews on a product that people might not actually like or got for free and aren't telling you about it.
Hey, welcome back to another great video. We are here today with my first drone. This is the SP500 by SNAPTAIN. I'm looking for stuff that I can throw into a backpack and take with me so that I can go do work, make better content on my videos, and just have fun. So having portability is very important to me right now. Checking this out online, it looks like it's got a lot of great features. We've got 1080p for our camera, GPS mode, waypoints, point of interest, follow me mode, gestures for photo and video, one key takeoff and landing, return to home, ATTI mode, headless mode, and foldable. So that's very important. Looking on the back side, we've got some warnings. Not for children under 3 because you don't want to be choking on your drone, guys. But no, seriously, be careful with drones. These are powerful things. All right, let's move into the unboxing experience. Okay, so coming over here, we're going to go ahead and unbox this 85 for it. Let's open it up. Reasonable unbox. Activate your 12-month free warranty now. Oh, cool. So it comes with a nice warranty in the box there. Congratulations. You've won a free gift. And you need me to leave a review. Well, I'll leave you an honest review if it's a good product. How does that sound, folks? I'm just here to support you guys in your purchases with your good earned money. So taking a look here, we've got our manual. It's nicely packaged. It looks good. It is important that you read your manual. Like we've got our extra propellers here. I'm gonna go ahead and tilt this. Look at that. Battery, number 1. Battery, number 2. Excellent. Looking inside here, some guardrails, some extra parts in this little bag here. We're gonna have to kind of peek that open. We've got some adapters, it appears. Another charger that is for the controller. Moving forward to the SNAPTAIN SP500 drone. Wow, this thing is so light. Oh my goodness. It's incredibly light. So taking a look there, you can see the drone. Here's our battery pack slot. I need to read through the directions before using this, but we'll get to that. Boom. There's the controller, folks. Right there. Looks like this opens up to hold the phone, right? Oh my. There we go. So cool. On, off, kind of gives us some details here. All right, it's review time, and welcome back to the SNAPTAIN SP500. That's right, folks. This thing is a pile of junk, and we're going to get into why I think so. Well, I work in merchandising, and I get to see the build quality of all kinds of things. I work to set up and break down electronic displays, and so I get to experience all this different technology, cost versus what you get out of the product. And I'm telling you right now, this is the SNAPTAIN SP500. And it says, oh, it's got a 1080p camera. But let me tell you what, look at this camera. This camera sucks. This thing is just cheap plastic. It's the whole build quality of the entire thing is cheap plastic. I'm really very disappointed. The imagery online makes it look much better than it is, but it's really just cheap plastic. You can see the warping in the bubbles. There's nothing sitting on top of this. This is the actual plastic itself. Looking over here, they're a 1,000 milliamp hour battery. Disappointed in that too. The battery fluctuation kept going up and down and up and down. It would not read it properly, and it just seems to me to be cheaply built, and it's not good for flight time. I only got about 8 to 10 minutes out. They suggested 15 minutes. But yeah, this plastic controller, I mean, look at the stamped plastic in here, and I get, yeah, it's supposed to be a toy, but dang, dude, look how cheap this is. Can you hear that? Listen to this. It's just cheap
plastic, and the build quality is not good. The charger that came for the controller, look here, right here, see the exposed wires? This is ridiculous. This is the same thing on all 3 of their chargers that stick out. The wires are not properly attached inside. They're just soldered into the housing is what it appears. Yeah, so the charger didn't even work to charge the controller. I did test the battery pack chargers. They did work. And so that's good. You know, the drone flies. It has some basic GPS and other functions, but I had several issues getting the GPS to connect. I had several issues getting the compass and gyroscope to work, and it just seems to be constant problems. And anytime you land the drone, you have to reset everything and recalibrate the drone every time you set it up. So for all the people out there that are enjoying this as a fun drone, hey, good for you. This is not a product I would recommend to you, if I'm being honest, and I think a lot of those reviews aren't completely true. The build quality is clearly shoddy, and I think that they need to improve the quality of their product instead of just using pretty aesthetics to get that point across. So overall, the pros are it's it's fairly light, you know, it's lightweight, it's collapsible, it can be controlled by the phone for video footage, but I think that it's just not cutting it. So I do appreciate it, but I think that there's a better drone for me out there. And just let me know in the comment section down below what you think. Did you get this drone? Do you have another drone? Are you happy with it? Are you not? This is just my experience, but hope this helped you guys out in your drone search if you're looking for one. You guys take care and have a good day. And I'll share some footage with you of the drone flying so you can see how crappy it is.